Obviously, it's been a pretty long and bearish week from last week's downtrend. Good to know that we're starting the week on a bullish trend as we look forward to a move through the week's focus levels to support and bootstrap a run into new highs in the coming week. As you guys already know, the market has been really facing a downturn. In the news today, according to a post on Forbes, there's been a serious crypto washout as a massive $300 billion price flash crash suddenly tanks Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple's XRP, and Cardano. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having an amazing day so far. Today we have even more exciting and most unexpected news about XRP that would make all of you guys, every single one of you in the XRP community that's holding on to digital assets, extremely happy. I promise you this is going to be a good one. Also, as you guys can see, the entire market is in a serious dip for quite some days now. So we expect an uptrend any moment. We'll also be looking at the possibility for XRP to replace Bitcoin by 2023. Do you think that's possible? Where do you see the price of XRP should the company win the SEC lawsuit? What will be the price of XRP come the next 2 to 3 years from now? All the answers to these questions are in this video and lie just waiting for you. Welcome again to Make Money Online, and if you like what you've heard thus far, then don't hesitate to tap the like button on this video as it really helps us out. And also, if you're new to the channel and wish to learn everything about crypto, blockchain technology, and XRP, then don't forget to smash the red subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications. That way you can get notified when we post new content on here, as we post every day at the same time. And we mostly post time-sensitive information on this channel, so turn that on to get updated in real time. Also, today might be your lucky day, as we're leaving a link in the description section to get a lifetime discount of 5% off on trading fees when you sign up on Binance via the link in the description. Alright, first things first, let's take a quick look at the market. Looking at Bitcoin's price charts, if you've been following the recent trend in crypto, you should already know by now that the price of this digital token recently dipped a little bit. However, the markets are starting to see some green. We have the total crypto market cap increase by almost 10%, precisely 9.55 at the time of recording, on the 24-hour chart to $2 trillion, as against yesterday's $1.9 trillion mark. Among our top gainers as of today are NEO, which sits at number 1 with over 41% increase in the last 24 hours, Solana a 23% increase with a current price of $32.64, Dogecoin, as it's amassed in excess of 470% in price increment, along with a 31% increase on the daily chart. Vechain follows suit with an 88.54% price pump on the 7-day chart and a 17.5% increase on the daily chart. Next, we have Binance Coin at $527.50 with a gain of over 15% on the daily chart. Our very own XRP slightly above $1.40, along with a percentage increase of almost 12% in the last 24 hours. Chainlink at $40 and having a 15.5% increase over the last 24 hours. As Bitcoin is showing signs of recovery back to its recent all-time high of $64,000 and trading at recording at around $57,000, recording a high of about 6% increase from the previous day, as it was barely a few days ago when its price was getting very close to reaching a 44.2 Fibonacci extension, similar to the previous Bitcoin bull runs in 2013 and 2017. Even though the number one crypto asset just recently experienced a 5% decline over the past week, it's seen a subtle yet noteworthy reversal of 6.2%. A bullish week start sets Bitcoin on the same pedestal of growth as Tuesday's intra-week high that saw a newer swing high to 64,000 before hitting the recent reversal. Up against all odds, such as its first major resistance level at $64,000, the price of the pioneer cryptocurrency experienced a major sell-off that saw its price fall through the first and largest support levels thus far at $56,000, withdrew to $54,000 during Sunday's midweek low, afterwards finding support at the 23.6 Fibonacci extension of 50,000 just as the price of the most valued crypto moved back to below the 56,000 levels to reduce the deficit. An almost 6% dip on Sunday ended the week with a bearish trend for Bitcoin, and thus the entire altcoins followed suit as expected. XRP, on the other hand, would require a move through its pivot level at $1.50 and the 23.6 Fibonacci of $1.54 before it can kickstart the first major resistance level at $1.87. However, for XRP to break out of its current resistance levels to the $1.90 marker, support from the much wider spectrum would be required. Excluding an extensive crypto rally, the first notable resistance, in addition to last week's swing high to about $2, would likely cap any upside. And in the event of an extended breakout trend, we could see XRP testing the second major resistance marker at $2.32. However, failure to move past the 23.6 Fibonacci and $1.50 pivot levels would introduce the first major support levels at $1.05. Apart from a widespread sellout during the course of this week, XRP should be able to keep away from the sub-dollar levels and the 2% Fibonacci of 85 cents, as we expect to see the second major support at 69 cents, just as XRP has left the major support and resistance levels untested at the beginning of the week. The chief technical officer at Ripple, David Schwartz, urges all crypto enthusiasts to think seriously about selling part of their savings in cryptocurrency as a way of circumventing risk holders of large savings in crypto thinking about fixing profits. This opinion was disclosed in a Twitter post some days back. In his words, "I keep hearing that you can't lose money if you don't sell. That's nonsense and needs to be put to death for good." To a first approximation, anyone who has $500 can trade it for $500 worth of crypto. Anyone who has $500 worth of crypto can trade it for $500. If there are two people, one with $500 and one with $500 worth of crypto, neither is better off than the other because either can trade places with the other. They are equally well off, they hold equal value. So if you bought $1,000 worth of crypto and its price dropped to $500, you went from no better and no worse off than someone with $1,000 to no better and no worse off than someone with $500. To say that's not losing money is completely absurd. Going forth, Schwartz warned that his comment should not be considered as market advice, adding that this is probably going to be my least popular tweet ever, but if you have life-changing amounts of cryptocurrency, please take some time to seriously consider selling some to reduce your risk and exposure. This is not any kind of prediction about what the market will do, he asserts. Ardent XRP community members and hodlers of this coin would agree with me on this one. Given the last time Schwartz advised to sell the cryptocurrency, the market experienced a long correction. However, the head technical supervisor of Ripple himself does not consider his advice to be market prediction. Currently, XRP has a year-to-date return of 521%, according to CoinDesk's data. And honestly, guys, the token metrics of XRP are quite fascinating, as it has a fixed number of 100 billion pre-made XRP tokens. Currently, the circulating supply of XRP is at about 60 billion. Governed by an in-house smart contract that automatically transfers all of the unused XRP in a particular month to an escrow account. And it will take many years before these crypto coins will be made available. A mechanism similar to burning of tokens during a Bitcoin halving that ensures there will be no possibility of misuse due to the oversupply of XRP tokens. Anyway, that's it for today's update on XRP. What are your thoughts? Do you see XRP above Bitcoin? I know quite a lot of you might be thinking, saying there's no way XRP would even supersede the Pioneer and #1 cryptocurrency on the planet. But let me know what you think down in the comment section, if you think this is going to be a possible thing. Otherwise, if you made it this far into the video, please consider leaving a like on it, maybe sharing it with your friends. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. If you have any other comments and suggestions, feel free to let us know. And of course, don't forget to check out some of our previous videos as well. See you next time.
Hollywood car